Yo, what is going on again, Buther Gang? So today I'm going to be going over the best free news source today, financialjuice.com. And no, this is not a partnered video. I do not get paid to support this website. But I just wanted to put this out there because I think this is an overlooked website that has an amazing amount of information as well as tools on it to help you figure out what's going on in the markets, even if you don't understand what the news may be. But first off, this left side tab. So go to financialjuice.com. It's very easy. Check out this left side tab. You're going to want to click this little icon here, and you're going to want to put on just high and medium. You put low on, you're going to have way too much stuff, and you're probably going to want to put the country that you reside in. I focus on United States equities, North American equities, so I focus on most news from there. If you want to turn on other regions, you definitely can. There's nothing wrong with that. More power to you. And you can see it gives you just minimal info. You get pretty much the most effective news each week. If you want to limit it to just high importance, you can. I've also found that to be very helpful, so you only focus on the really big movers, the thing that everyone's going to be looking at, even if they don't understand what's there. And then I would say the second tool, outside of going to the website, checking out this left sidebar, and really just being aware, this is a good thing you can check daily. It's just a good daily routine. But is going here to the need to know market risk. And you can adjust a couple things here as well. I try not to move it too much. I sometimes go to market moving or risk, but I just keep it on my news because why not? But you end up looking right here, you can see economic indicators US. This is where I'm from, so read here, click that. Those are both clickable links, and this is actually where the bulk of the info really comes from. So on Monday, you could see the U.S. new home sales. You could see what to expect, and this what to expect section is the greatest thing I've ever seen. You're gonna definitely want to check this out. You're gonna want to read those whenever you see any piece of news that you're interested in. Consumer confidence. You know, what are we expecting? You can check that out, and how that relates to our economic indicators. But awesome news here, though. I love looking through this stuff. It's not just the boring stuff like right here where you're like, oh, this is just the definitions, but also what to expect. You know, what has happened in the past, what's happened recent, and then what can you expect now. Again, it's what to expect. What can I say? And what else? That's pretty much the bulk of the information as of the website itself. Again, this is my favorite page. Going from this to just this, and that's it. Just that alone keeps me super informed. Another awesome website you can check out is briefing.com and go to the stock market update tab. You can actually read some awesome news sources right here. Hold up, an ad's going to pop up. Or not. But moving the market, you can see normal consolidation after another week of gains for the major indices, weakness in mega caps, all that good stuff. Rising. Oh, there's the ad. And then there's other pieces of news here too, which I try not to read these too much. But in the morning, and you won't see it now because it's moved on now, but in the morning you'll see a really nice overnight update. So they'll say like, oh, okay, well these are the companies that have upgrades, downgrades, anything that might have came out, you know, overnight or in the morning that you might have been asleep during. It'll be right here as well. That's a really great website. And then the last one to check out is savvytrader.com. Again, guys, I am not backed up by any of these websites. I have no clue who even. I mean, I'm sure we could look to see who runs them, but I have no clue. You know, I'm just here to look at news sources I find helpful and that are easy to look at. And you can see this is probably the best earnings website you can go to. Everyone likes to go to earnings calendar and that other website that's really horrible to look at. But this one's easy to look at. It's easy to read what I'm looking for. If I'm like, oh, what's on Wednesday? I just roll over. Okay, oh, it's Carnival. Okay, this is what they're expecting. This is what they had before. All right, awesome. That's what I need to look out for that. So maybe I'm looking to swing Royal Caribbean and I don't notice that Carnival's reporting. That's like, all right, maybe I'll hold off on my Royal swing and I'll wait to see what Carnival does and see what kind of reaction that might give to the Royal Caribbean chart. Again, are they the exact same stock? No, but they're in the exact same sector and they might mess with each other a little bit. So you definitely want to pay attention to that. But that's the bulk of the video, guys. It's going to be a small video, but I wanted to go through just a couple news sources that I think everybody needs to be taking advantage of every single day, every single week. And I hope to see more of you guys posting this stuff. If I see you posting it in chat or on Twitter or anywhere really, you know I'll definitely be smiling. So again, thank you guys for this video, and I hope you enjoy some of this helpful content.